Hello, my name is Justin Sheets, and I am a Senior Technical Marketing Architect at VMware. I am working on the Digital Workspace hands-on labs, which cover the VMware Workspace ONE platform. Workspace ONE is a secure enterprise workspace platform that integrates your access control, application management, feature-rich virtual desktop infrastructure, and multi-platform endpoint management all into a single platform to allow you to deliver and manage any application on any device. If you're interested in delivering a secure digital workspace solution with Workspace ONE to enable your employees to work securely and productively from anywhere with their device of choice, then this lab is the place to start. The Hands-on Labs 215109 lab covers VMware Workspace ONE Unified Endpoint Management, or UEM, which allows you to securely manage the complete device lifecycle from onboarding to retirement across your desktop, mobile, rugged, and IoT devices. Workspace ONE UEM allows you to deliver apps seamlessly while ensuring that your devices remain secure and compliant with automated endpoint controls and actionable insights. In this year's lab, you can learn the fundamentals of Workspace ONE UEM and how to get started with managing your Windows 10, iOS, macOS, and Android devices. You can learn how to configure and explore the capabilities of the Workspace ONE Intelligent Hub app to deliver a unified app catalog across all of your devices. And you can learn and explore the Workspace ONE Intelligence platform to see how dashboards and reports can provide deep insights into your device fleet and how automations can increase security and automate remediation to reduce your manual administrative workloads. We hope you enjoy the lab.